a roller coaster ride, but it's one that Robert Kiyosaki says is well worth it. The Rich Dad company co-founder joins us right now. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, of course, talks about the philosophy, the way you think about the world and investment and money. And there's a big difference between the Rich Dad and the Poor Dad. Anyway, Robert is filthy rich himself, so he's here to impart some wisdom. Robert, always good seeing you. What do you think right now, Bitcoin? Because you're optimistic. I know you think it's going to eventually hit 100,000. But explain what's going to drive that.
Well, Neil, as all those, thank you for all the years you've had me on your program. But you and I have been concerned about the two things. It's a tale of two Americas, the haves and the have-nots. And just last week, coincidentally, Fed Chairman Powell finally stopped lying to us. He finally says inflation is here to stay. So Powell finally admitted that, this transitory or the 2% target was not makeable. They couldn't do it. So he finally says inflation is now going to be 6, 7, 8%. And I feel for the people, if I go to Costco today, I don't know how they afford to live with food and fuel and wages not keeping up. So it's a tale of two Americas. That's what I'm concerned about.
So what you're concerned about, then obviously you seek out, a lot of commodities, metals, silver, I know, you've advocated gold. Where does Bitcoin fit into that, or cryptos in general, if they're part of that?
Right. Let me explain real quickly. This is called fiat. It's also fake money. And this here is a silver dollar US. And this here is a gold eagle. Well, Bitcoin is a whole new asset class. The problem with this money here, it was designed from the start to lose value. So that's why in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, I said savers were losers. So I've been, you've allowed me to talk about saving silver and saving gold, and not this year. But Bitcoin's a whole new asset class, whereas the dollar is designed to go down, Bitcoin is designed to go up in purchasing power. That's why it's a whole new asset class.
So play that out and where you think this all goes from here.
Well, what happens is there's Bitcoin by design. There's 21 million coming out. So far, there's 19.5 coming out. And next week, I think next month anyway, the halving comes out.
Right.
So what's happening is I have gold mines. When the price of gold goes up, gold miners go out and dig for more gold. But Bitcoin can never increase. So the purchasing power of Bitcoin keeps going up, even though gold may not go up as fast. So that's why I say Bitcoin's a whole new asset class. And I suggest people do their due diligence before they buy into it, because.
But you could also make the argument, right, Robert? I'm sorry to jump on you there with limited time, but if the halving is going to go on and it's going to shrink the supply of available coins, what have you, you would think that would be reflected right now, and it's not. What do you make of that?
Well, that's because it's getting scarcer. Whereas, I say it again, it's kind of hard to imagine because I own gold mines, and gold becomes more plentiful the higher the price goes. And as you know, the Fed just keeps printing these things, which is not worth much. So that's why there's two Americas today. There are those that can afford to save gold, silver, or Bitcoin. But then there's other have-nots who are still trying to save this or can't save enough, so they're living on credit cards. So that's why my concern is there's two Americas, and it just got worse when Powell, Fed chairman, finally admitted inflation is here to stay.
Wow. We'll follow closely. You've seen a lot of trends that a lot of people miss, Robert. Robert Kiyosaki, the Rich Dad company co-founder, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the book that launched 1,000 career ships, to say it mildly. Robert, thank you again.